What's happening, crypto fam? Happy Monday. Good morning and welcome back to Love for Crypto. I'm Scott. It's a pleasure to have you here. I appreciate taking time out to consume the content, so thank you. This morning I want to talk about a Daedalus wallet, a Daedalus mobile scam wallet, and I want to make sure people are careful because I wasn't and I got burned. Alright, so some had gone, mate. Ada gone. Ada gone. She gone. Disappeared. Luckily, someone's helped me out now. That person knows who they are. There's a massive place in my heart for that person now. You know who you are. Literally didn't. You know, you just don't know what to say. But thank you. Regarding that, I was helped out. Last couple of days, I was a mess. I lost some crypto. I got scammed, and I'll tell you how I got fished. Don't worry, we'll get to that. But at the end of the day, I got helped. So I want to pass it on a little bit. I'm going to go out today. I'm going to legitimately find someone who needs me help, and I'm going to help him. And I want you to do the same. I want you to go out. I want you to find someone who needs help, and I want you to help him. I read something the other day. People like to say we're all in the same boat. We're not all in the same boat. We're all in the same storm. Some people have got yachts. Some people have got ships. Some people have got canoes. And some people are fucking drowning. If you're in a position to help someone in the tier below you, please do. Because it means the fucking world to them. Words can't express that kind of emotion. It's not possible. So please, pass it on. Let's have a little ripple of good fortune and people helping others. Because again, we're not in the same boat. We're in the same storm. And some people are in positions to help people. So from the bottom of my heart, thank you. And carry it on. As for the Daedalus wallet, so I want to talk a little bit about wallets and what you... And this is more for, it's not just noobs, man. And again, this is going to seem like extremely idiotic thing to fall into, and it kind of was, but it's also easy for anyone to just think, boom, but to be in a rush to set it up because you want it on mobile. When you download a node to a blockchain, whether it's Daedalus, a Polkadot node, a Google extension, whatever, if it's an official node on that blockchain, it will let you create a wallet on that blockchain. The Daedalus scam app had no facility to create a wallet. It was asking you to restore the already created Daedalus wallet on the Daedalus node. So in theory, it was doing it in a way where it was like, right, you've been to desktop and you've set up your Daedalus wallet. Now just add your words in here and it'll work on your mobile kind of thing. And I swear to God, they had IOHK Inc. fucking banners and that attached to them. So I fucking restored my wallet, didn't I? Gave him the words. Gave him me spending password. Oh, fuck me. So anyway, next thing gone, boom. So I want people, it was 5 days. It happened on the 15th of February. It was 5 days before I even realised it was gone. And I want people to remember when you're setting up a node on a blockchain or on a network, if it's an official node, it's not just going to be like, yo, restore your wallet, G. It's going to be like, do you want to create one? Do you want to restore one? Do you want to link one? Do you want to... It gives you multiple options. If you've done... The only option you have when you enter a wallet is to restore it and get the fuck out of there. And get the fuck out of there. Get it off your phone, get it off your desktop, and get it off. Just don't bother with that shit. Seriously. We had a warning here on Reddit 3 years ago. 3 years ago. Warning. There is currently an unofficial Daedalus wallet app on Google Play Store. There's currently an unofficial Daedalus wallet on the Google Play Store. We have no relationship with this venture. And we seriously doubt this is a real wallet. Your money could get stolen, so please do not download. We have reported this to Google and encourage you to do the same and take it down as quickly as possible. So my wallet went empty and I thought it was the staking. I thought, oh, it's gone to the staking pool. No. Your money stays in your wallet when you're staking, and you can move it here, there and everywhere, and if you do move it, it just means you're staking less. You've delegated less. You've delegated from that wallet, and they'll use that wallet for as long as there's something in it. Now there is what did I search to find that? Because I found another thread, and I'm telling you now, like, it happened that one then was 3 years ago on Reddit. It happened again in December, and it was removed, and now it's happened again in February. So I want people really need to be diligent and just be careful when they're signing up to things. Daedalus has no mobile app. It has no mobile app. Yeah? It doesn't. It's desktop only. So remember that. And go to the official Cardano newsletters to get any information about it updating from that or to anything else. Because Ada wallet gone to 0 after staking. It's hard to find a Reddit. Because I found I found multiple Reddits about it, but then you come off and you can't flaming find them again. Because there's that many. That is I mean, I don't know whether to trust that now. The Yoroe. I don't know how to pronounce that shit. But I don't know, like, we can't trust that now. Because what's that gonna do? If I go even to the Google extension, what's it gonna ask me to do? Enter your restore words, and I'm like, get fucked, mate. Get fucked. I actually don't want to enter him anywhere ever again unless I actually need him. And then it'll be getting moved to a brand new fucking wallet. I'm not joking, guys. The next time I use them restore words to restore a wallet for myself, that wallet's fucking dead to me. That wallet's dead to me, mate. Every time you restore a wallet, fucking get rid of it. I'm not joking. I'm not joking. Restore it, move the value to a brand new wallet, and then fuck the old one off. Real serious, real talk, just do it. Fuck, no one needs that shit in their life. It's different with the ledgers and that, innit? Because you've got the physical device in your hand that you're entering. We're talking about apps and desktop extensions and stuff at the moment. It's the fucking Wild West, innit, mate? We've said this multiple times. Oh, mate, 21 hours ago. Bad end. Hello, I want to ask your experience with Daedalus wallet. I downloaded the wallet at the beginning of February, and after I created the wallet, I added 1k adder. Then I delegated this wallet and joined a staking pool afterwards on Shelly wallet. Didn't have any adder. C0 after 20 days. I received reward 0.59 adder, but I still can't see my 1k adder. It's just disappeared. I'm not able to move to an exchange. Of all transactions in history. Guys, you have some kind of wisdom to share. It's hard to believe that while delegating my 1k adder has gone. And then Alex is straight onto him 21 hours ago. Hello, did you ever download Daedalus for mobile from the Google store? I downloaded Daedalus into the computer, the history, the blah blah blah, the Daedalus, the blah blah blah. Adder out a wallet, staking rewards, history, 1% pool, blah blah blah, transaction hash, insurance, showing a lot of details there then. But people are popping up the minute someone's had a problem. This Alex, fair play to him. That guy there, that Alex, he's on it. He's on it. He's in every single thread. He's on every single Reddit. And the minute someone's there, like fucking, my ADA account's gone to 0. What's gone on? He's like, stay the fuck away from that Daedalus wallet. And he, man. I'll just want a couple more little bits up. ADA. And someone here, not sure someone can help me, but I'll try it anyway. I recently fired up Daedalus wallet as I wanted to check my funds, but upon doing so, the balance was 0. Looking at the transactions, it's just empty. It's like my wallet has become unattached from Daedalus. Also tried recovering my wallet, my 12-phrase secret. But doing that just gives me the same thing, an empty wallet. I haven't moved my funds and I don't know my backup phrase is correct. And I know my backup phrase is correct, sorry. So I'm confused as to what's happened. Have the contents of the library application support Daedalus directory if that helps, thanks in advance. And then people are like, well, you can check your funds are okay using the Explorer. Don't think Daedalus is up to date. Have you updated it since the Byron reboot, blah, blah, blah. I mean, this is 211 days ago, this shit. So basically, for people are using too many mobile apps instead of going straight to the node for certain things. People need to stick to the Daedalus desktop application and platform. I will be doing a little video a little later. I meant to do it at the end of last week, so apologies to anyone who was waiting for it regarding staking and the Daedalus wallet. But we are gonna get there. Obviously, excuse me, over the weekend I'd lost my ADA. Didn't get staked when it was supposed to be staked, so I was like, what we're going to do, I'm going to do a fucking staking video while I also mention that I've been scammed, or am I just going to let it play out? I got help. And now I'm ready to actually stake a little bit again and actually do a staking video. Also doing this video to warn people about the way the nodes and that are set up. Again, if the node ain't letting you create a wallet, it ain't a node on the chain. I don't care what blockchain you think you're on. If you're on a node attached to a network and it doesn't let you open a wallet on that network, you ain't in a node on the network. You're in someone else's fucking thing that's literally just waiting to take your code off you. You don't even need to be able to code to make an app like that. Do you know what I mean? It's legitimately just put some information here so I can have it, bro. There's fucking text boxes, mate. Text boxes. The fuck? Could make that on Wix. Like fucking that. I just don't know how to make apps. But I'm sure there's some sort of converter, HTML to app converter or something. I don't fucking know, but it can't be that fucking hard. See, yeah. If it doesn't let you create a wallet, get rid of it. Get rid of it. Daedalus node, download. Download on the download. Daedaluswallet.io. It's a full node wallet. Yeah, bruh. We'll go live in a bit about this. We'll show people the Daedalus wallet. We'll get the downloads. You got to sync it. You got to create and add your wallet. You got to send your ADA there, and then you can get staking. You got to wait 2 epochs. Let's not go there. Epoch. 8 yeah, it's epoch in my head. My head wants to say epoch. We learned the phonics, man. It's epoch. That's why we say adder. About adder. But we're getting used to saying adder. Getting used to saying adder. It's always going to be sour. I mean, like I say, I received some help and got some crypto back, but it's always gonna be sour knowing that there's some motherfucker out there with everyone else's value. You'd rather it went to 0. And I'm sat there over the weekend thinking, it's only £205, Scott. It's only £205, Scott. But it's not, is it? It might be £205 when you put it in. But when it's gone up 5, 6, 7 times to 1,500 fucking quid, 1,600 quid, it wasn't 205 anymore. So as much in my head I was trying to tell myself, look, you've only lost 205 quid, and you know when the numbers are that big screen, and it's a fucking kick in the dick. But you've only lost £205. And my head's like, no, look at the fucking screen, Scott. Lost over £1,000, mate. And again, I got help off people. Thank you for the... Basically, I started drowning weekend. I don't know what the fuck I was going to do. And someone in a boat helped me out. So, like I say, we're all in the same... We're not in the same boat, in the same storm. So go out today and help someone, please. If you can. You might be one of the people drowning, and hopefully someone reaches an hand out today. Because, yeah, if I didn't receive the help over the weekend, I'd imagine this would have been an extremely different video, and you would have seen different emotion completely. And I'd say I was a bit of a mess at some point over the week, certain points over the weekend, but I've got empathy for everyone else now who's maybe didn't get the help I got, but like I say, if everyone just passes it on a little bit, just if you're able to help someone, just help them. It'll go a long way. It really will. It'll mean more to that person than you will ever know. It's seriously. And on that note, I'm gonna have a smoke, some breakfast, get chilled, get ready, and then I'll be coming live later on. No work at the moment, so I'm literally going to do a little video like this in the mornings, and then we're going to go live in the afternoon until I'm back in work, so enjoy that as long as you can. And, yeah, I'll see you later, and you know the script. Invest in yourself, invest in the internet of value, live long and hodl it all, so you're ready to let it go. Yeah, wishing health and happiness to you and yours. It's hard when you get scammed in that. Whether you get help to get back up or not, it's fucking hard. You just got to keep grinding. And be grateful. Be grateful we're still here and able to grind. Because some people didn't wake up today. Yeah. Again, wishing health and happiness to you and yours. Enjoy your week. If you don't like your job, revenue into hobbies, guys. Get working, get grinding. And I'll see you on the next one. Peace.